What if I told you, you don't need the perfect time to start? Some people spend their whole life waiting for the right moment, the right situation, but that moment never comes. If you are planning to start something, but feeling afraid, take a deep breath, sit comfortably, and watch this story without skipping. In a small school, a teacher was explaining an important lesson. He said, "Big success never comes suddenly. It always starts with small steps." A student stood up and asked, "Sir, today's world is very fast. People want quick success. People respect fast growth. Then why should we start small? Why not aim big and move fast?" The teacher smiled calmly and said, "You are right, the world is fast, but let me tell you a story. In a peaceful forest, there lived a cuckoo bird. It was beautiful, it had a sweet voice, but it was very lazy. It never learned how to build its own nest. Instead, it would lay its eggs in a crow's nest and leave the responsibility to others. Every day, the cuckoo would sit on a branch, watching the surroundings, singing songs, but never doing anything meaningful. Days passed, months passed, but nothing changed in its life. One day, the cuckoo noticed a tiny ant. The ant was walking slowly, step by step. The cuckoo ignored it. The next day, same ant, still walking. Then another day, and another. Days turned into weeks. For almost 1 month, the cuckoo kept watching the ant. Every single day, the ant was moving forward, never stopping, never complaining. Finally, the cuckoo became curious. It asked, "Hey, where are you going every day?" The ant stopped, looked up, and replied calmly, "I am going to the Himalayas to reach the top of Mount Everest." The cuckoo burst into laughter. "Himalayas? That's almost 2,000 kilometers away. Even I am a bird. I can't reach there. How can you reach? It's impossible. Leave this idea. It's too difficult." The ant smiled without any anger. It slowly took one small step forward and said, "See, now I am one step closer to the 2,000-kilometer journey to the Himalayas." The cuckoo became silent. The ant continued, "For the past 1 month, I have already completed 2 kilometers. It may look small to you, but for me, it is progress. Every day I am learning. Every day I am becoming stronger. One day I will reach there, and when I reach, it will not be luck. It will be the result of small steps taken every single day." The ant paused and said, "But if I stop today, I will never reach the Himalayas in my life." Then it looked at the cuckoo and added, "Just like you. You have wings, but you never tried to build your own nest. You are waiting, but not moving." The cuckoo was shocked. For the first time, it felt something inside. It had everything, but did nothing. The ant had very little, but was doing everything it could. That day, the cuckoo understood a powerful truth. The teacher looked at the students and said, "Success is not about speed. It is about consistency. When you start small, you learn. When you continue, you improve. And when you don't stop, you succeed." Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small. Take one step today, then another tomorrow, because small steps taken consistently create extraordinary results. If you keep waiting for the right time, you may end up waiting your whole life. If this story inspired you, subscribe to EagleAura for more powerful, life-changing stories.